Welcome to the Kitty Cat Snack Shack. Fast food for famished felines. Now, let me see. Casserole of duck with cherries, Peking duck. Ah, here we are. Duck à l'orange.
What are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
I know. I mean, what are we gonna eat?
Oh, I'll whip up something. A surprise.
My mother must have been thinking about someone else. She told me to beware of the cat.
Bless her. Mothers are all the same. For some reason, they think it's a part of their job description. Stop us from having fun. But not my mother, though. Oh, no. She was different. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. Your food before you eat it. You can chivvy your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So Jackie, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your teeth before the crunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I like to paddle in the puddles, dabble in the mud, tickle sticklebacks in the shallows. Then maybe it's time to go sliding in the sun to the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is really not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. Oh, you want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chivvy your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your teeth before the crunch. You can play with your food, oh, I find it. It's a crazy little game. Do you like oranges?
I don't know, I've never tried one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
What's that noise?
Salivating.
It's coming from outside.